Hello, I am Shubhra, a graphic designer, social media manager, and AI video creator. I create high quality social media design, ad creative, brandings, visuals, and AI powered videos helps brands stand out online. Using AI video tools and creative storytelling, I produced engaging promo videos, reels, product videos, ad and short form content that serves time and increase impact. And for social media, I also design and create content with strategy, not just visuals, focused on attention, branding, and conversation. If you want powerful designs and smart AI content, let's work together. Click here and let's grow your brand. And if your brand needs better designs, stronger content, and smarter video, you are in the right place.